How to find out who blocked you on TikTok. So let's get started with the tutorial. TikTok does not send a notification when someone blocks you, but you can confirm with these steps. So first one is check their profile link. If you have a direct link to their profile from old DMs or saved link, open it. If blocked, you will see this account does not exist or their profile won't load. And the other trick is to simply go to the search address bar and search for the username. If they don't appear in result and you are sure the account still exists, you may be blocked. And you can also check your following or followers list. If you can't find them anymore and searching fails too, they may have blocked you. If you can't find their profile at all, it could mean they either blocked you or deleted their account or changed username. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.